Hello everyone, my name's Katie and I'm a Learning Officer at the City of London Corporation. I work in the Open Spaces Learning team. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mammal footprint box. This allows us to become detectives in our own gardens and find out what mammals are living there by capturing their footprints. So here's a mammal footprint box that I made earlier. You can see it's got 2 holes cut out of it to allow the mammals to crawl through inside. The sorts of mammals that you might expect to find in your garden include squirrels, hedgehogs, mice and rats. If I lift this bit up, you can see that inside we've got a line of bait to lure the mammals in, 2 strips of homemade ink that they have to step in to get to the bait, and 2 pieces of paper to capture their footprints. Now I'm going to show you how to make one. Firstly, you will need a cardboard box. One about the size of a shoebox will do. We are going to chop archways out of either end. Now I'm going to try and make the bottom bit. So you need to get some cardboard and it needs to be cut to roughly the same size as the box. And then you need to try and make it waterproof. So you can do that with parcel tape like I did with my first one, or you could cover it with something like sticky back plastic. Now you need some paper clips or fold back clips to clip some plain paper to your bottom bit of cardboard. I tend to just fold them under like this and then clip it down to keep it nice and secure. Now it's time to make the ink. This needs to be safe for the animals to tread in, so make sure you double check with your adults that all of the ingredients you use are non-toxic. I've got some crushed charcoal here. You can use charcoal from your art supplies or even charcoal that you have in a barbecue. It just needs to be crushed to a fine powder. Then you need to add some vegetable oil to it. This just stops the ink from drying out. This ink is safe for animals to lick off of their paws. Now it's time to paint the ink on into 2 strips onto the bottom bit of our cardboard. You can use an old paintbrush to do this if you've got one, or you can just dribble it on with a spoon like I'm doing. Now it's time to add some bait to the middle. I'm using birdseed, but there are many other types of bait you might choose to use. Once you've finished assembling the bottom bit of your box, find a space near the edge of your garden to place it. Think about the sorts of places mammals might like to visit in your garden, like near fences or hedges. Once you've placed it there, carefully place the lid of your box over the top, and you'll need to use something to weight it down to keep it in place. Now all we have to do is wait and see if anything comes to visit. Wow, I'm so excited that my mammal footprint box worked. It looks like I had a squirrel come and visit. It even left me these footprints too. Well, my mammal box has been a great success. I'm going to have a go now at moving it around the garden to see if I can get any other different prints. You can do the same, and remember to experiment with different baits as well. Let us know how you get on by commenting on this video and have fun.